Today this is the Paradise Now with family.
Yeah. That's
And
like
here we are, all of us. Now we are going to play a game, Tweet, Tweet, Tweedledee. Each person will get a chance to play. So with our auntie, you remember her? This is your vogler. So let us play.
and hello. I'm Minnie.
Come.
Alright, come.
3, 2, 1, go!
Tweet, tweet, and away we go. So rocking in the street up all the day long.
Huffing and puffing and singing a song.
All the little
Girls
girls.
and boys.
Tweet, 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 and away we go. So rocking in the street up all the way long. Huffing and puffing and singing a song.
All little girls on Jamie Street.
Like to hear the rabbit go tweet, 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 rabbit, rabbit,
Tweet.
tweet, 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 and away we go. So rocking in the street up all day long. Huffing and puffing and singing a song. All the little girls on Jamie Street. Like to hear them go tweet, 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 rabbit, tweet, 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 rabbit, rabbit, tweet, tweet, tweet. What's up, party people? It's Shickaa Chung and Ratty Dawn. Yo, a long time you know make no vlog. Right, babe? A long time you never company vlog. He was just talking about how he can't make YouTube and he can't do YouTube video because he doesn't like to do the, you know, when you hold up your phone and you just Yesterday was Valentine's Day, but we never did nothing because he does not celebrate it. He's anti-Valentine, anti-Cupid. He's a Valentine's Day hater, and he doesn't want to show his appreciation for me on Valentine's Day. I was going to say something different. He thinks that you should say it. I mean, not say it. Y'all make me a laps.
You make your laps.
You make me the laps. He thinks that you should do it on any other day except for that specific day. So I just let it go. Right? Why are you between two poles?
Huh?
Why are you between two poles? Two big long trunk poles.
Yeah, me tell him about me and I'm going to go now. But you get phone off and box the phone out.
Box it out of me and see. Wipe your mouth. Say wipe.
Granny tell me say big in post never wrong, you know. And then go see you no wrong for sure. If you come and you trouble me, and me box the phone out to you and then go say me wrong.
Hey guys, so I'm just here, just chilling. Oh yeah. I just did my friend's hair. Yeah. So yeah, we just you want a appearance? Oh yeah, we're just here, just not doing anything really. Zico Kush or something like that. But today is Ash Wednesday. Today is a holiday. I'm gonna go to roll.
Guys, go subscribe to Zeke. No, don't.
Okay, guys, go subscribe to Zico Kush on YouTube. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, Zico Kush. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm going to roly poly today. So.
Trying to send me bad. Me bumbo clock they use them. Now let me tell you about you're not gonna walk there for me. Look here, man. Just move from me from me. Just suck up my bumbo clock and go, man.
This road here and just fly across. Just like when you leg up and green, people wait a little bit first.
Alright guys. I'm at Witter Village with Shana K and Michael. We're just here eating Burger King. Well, I'm done mine, but I have some fries left. And we are supposed to get ice cream at Roly Poly like I told you guys. But me full. Shana says she's full.
Michael, not full.
You're full.
Overload.
You overload. Yo, I hate eating and feeling like too full. It just and I feel like I'm almost at that point right now. If I eat the ice cream, you know what's gonna happen.
So, remember I get my ice cream today?
Maybe I don't know. I guess not. I don't know. I feel like it's not gonna make no sense because me know say me not go force and eat it right now.
Well, we probably can't discuss it. So we shouldn't go Bottom Road then. Oh yes, so we should probably go Bottom Road.
We can go Bottom Road.
No, me not go bottom run now.
Oh, you know, go nowhere with no bottom. How?
Only bottom is slap up like Stephanie.
How?
That's a nice vlog.
Of course, I'm still vlogging. Still vlogging.
That's my thing.
No, so, yeah, we can go to Glow Coaster. No, didn't they call
Jimmy Cliff
I was gonna say
Boulevard.
Jimmy Cliff Boulevard.
That's
and
the
go,
correct name for it.
Yeah.
You have your license, so you can drive. So me get car for drive go Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. I mean, I go no bottom road, me now go Jimmy. None of them.
We're going on the hip strip.
On the hip strip. Oh, the hip strip, alright. And go a dead end.
That's right.
He might try to find something to say. He's trying to find something to say. Oh God.
So we can go down there.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
I think that's the one.
Vlog when I come out here, so y'all must know what roly poly look like by now. Guys, I'm trying to vlog, but they're playing too much copyright in the background. I will show you guys this in the night. I'll look at it in the morning. Chilling in the car.
Cool down my nerves.
Cool down my nerves.
Just no fucking here with that,
I'll show you guys outside.
You know, you're going to put the one that I watched you. You know what I'm saying?
Eh?
I'm going to put the one that I watched you.
Look around, she has
Which one?
This one we're at. Wait.
Yeah, man, wait.
There's no clipping, there's no editing. There's just raw filter, raw everything.
Yeah,
you're gonna look for this video?
Yes, Catherine go in and go look for it.
Well, here, Lashy, you can't see how much persons like you. You can't see who like you.
I can't see who like it, but I can see
your
who
battery is actually low.
Yeah. Still have a video.
If you can't see it, you will actually see your system like how much you you're not following.
Oh God.
Right, let's go. Come on, guys. I want to go to the
Ready?
because like
Someone's parasailing.
Y'all ready?
Oi, oi.
Watch it where they
Yeah, me know. Me know. Me I watch, man. Me I watch. Oi. Oi. So, yes, guys. Out here. See? Beach water. Just big and brawling. This stick. Stop do that. Every time you do that, make it look like you. You're always a hole in. You think Michaela's still in there? Oh. Guys, just look how nice the ocean looks. Wow. The sea just look calm and nice and relaxed. How is it going, party folks? Good? Okay.
What? You know, we don't know your answer.
You said what? How is it going, party folks? People are jet skiing out here. I'm long to go to one party. So I got my red stripe. But this shirt must have bite me. I wanted the sorrel or lemon, but I got the original instead. Just trying to hold our vibes.